You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.
This weekend, I slept on a different bed. I woke up in the morning with a lot of pain throughout my face, like all in here and in here.
How much pain did you feel from 0 to 10?
It was like a 6. It gave me a really bad headache.
How would you describe that pain?
Tightness all
all
in my
over?
face. In my jaw, when I'd open up, it was almost like a crunching, mainly in the muscles.
In the muscles, okay.
And then I've always had little popping on this side.
Okay,
And then maybe 9 years ago, I got hit from this side.
okay.
And it popped really hard. Ever since then, every once in a while I'll get a really big click when I'm chewing, as if it's like readjusting itself or something.
So it's clicks now, or what symptoms do you feel right now?
What's weird is this side clicks or crunches. This side doesn't.
Okay. Let me check your range of motion. Straight. Okay, open. That's not too bad. It's a little bit tight. Let's open it again, slowly. Okay, so you're really deviating. Okay, so headaches today, like you said, you feel tightness in the head. Where did you feel it?
Mainly in my temples. There's tension, but the pain's not as bad as before.
How much now?
Like a 3.
3, and the tightness on that area. Okay.
Yeah, it's just really tight.
All right, so let's lie on your back. Okay, let me know if you feel discomfort, okay? You said the tightness here
Yeah.
is really tight. And when you open your jaw, yeah?
Yeah.
Is it too much or is it okay?
Oh, that's okay.
So for 2 seconds here. Any discomfort with that? Do you still feel this tightness or it's gone now?
It does feel a lot looser.
A lot looser? And then you feel those knots in your
Yeah.
scar tissue? Okay.
There's actually, they're like a little bit tender, kind of.
Tender in here. Yeah. You feel all this tightness here. Is it, you feel tightness here in this area too?
Yeah, my whole head, to be honest.
Your whole head is tight, yeah. Okay. Is it okay to work inside your mouth? Close. Relax. Thumb up if you feel pain.
Okay,
So the tightness more on this side, yeah?
I think so.
Then the
Yeah.
other side. Oh, you do leaning to the side. Okay. No, that's too much. Okay. Sorry.
Okay.
You feel now how it's feeling?
This way? I can.
Close. Is it too much or it's okay? It's more tight actually. Do you feel that?
Really?
Okay. You feel those?
Oh, yeah.
Is it sensitive?
No, in fact, I feel like a tingling almost.
You feel it now?
I feel it a little now when you go over that particularly. Like right here, it vibrates all into my lip.
That's a big scar tissue, so we want to get rid of that. I think that's from your original accident, you know. I think the new accident to it. How is the tightness and pain from 0 to 10? Open your mouth. How's that?
I feel like I can go further.
You're opening wider. Yes. Is that your mac?
I think so. I still feel a little bit right here.
A little bit tightness?
Yeah,
But
like more kind of in this area.
what about the temporal areas? Do you feel it?
That's pretty much, my headache's gone. Tiny headache.
So you feel it on the other side. The range of motion now actually. Is that too much?
No, that's okay.
It's not too bad.
It feels tense on this side.
Yeah, you feel pain where you compensate more. So you know the exercise you're gonna do. Okay. Is it too much?
That's okay. I just have to correct my crooked.
Just do the exercises, and I'll show you a couple of exercises to correct it. We need to re-educate your muscle to fire properly. So you've been doing that for a long time. Sit up for me. Headache, jaw pain, open, and tell me how's that.
I feel like it can open way wider.
Any pain, discomfort, tightness?
No. I still crunch a little bit. It's not like it was before.
But the pain, the tightness, that's my concern.
It's gone.
Thank you so much. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.